Hello everyone, welcome to this vlog. Today's video is going to be just a few usual working days in my life in Buenos Aires. If you're new here, my name is Darina. I'm a Russian girl living in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Welcome to this vlog. I've got just a few minutes now between my lessons. Today I have a lot of lessons, to be honest. I even wanted to postpone one of them because I feel like I can't handle having 6 lessons or something. Let me check in my calendar. Yeah, it was supposed to be 7 lessons today. It's too much. Even 6 lessons is too much, but 6 sounds better than 7. I've already had 3. I've had breakfast. Now I'm gonna have 2 other lessons and then we'll have a break. I mean, my boyfriend and I, and we'll go to some coffee shop, I hope. And then in the evening I have another lesson. And then we're going to watch Twilight in the cinema. They are showing the movies again. I think it's become a trend now because I saw that they showed Twilight in different countries already. And now the trend has come to Latin America. We're going with my friend Michelle. You saw her in one of my videos for sure. I'm teaching different languages today. Today they are English and Spanish and Italian. And I've prepared some lessons for tomorrow already. And yeah, the only thing I have to do now is to give 2 more lessons, then have a break, and then prepare for the evening lesson. So this video is going to be a bit working mode type of video. I hope you enjoy such content. Hola, hola Yana, ¿qué tal?
Bien, pero...
So I have given my 2 lessons, but it's not over for today. As I told you that I'm gonna have another lesson late in the evening at 8:30. During my last lesson for now, it started to rain out of nowhere. It was really unexpected and it rained heavily, and now it's gonna be fine again, I guess. Now I'm going to eat some lunch. We're going to have some leftovers. This little beast is very sleepy, I think because it's raining. I don't know if we're going to go to the coffee shop because I wanted to sit outside and enjoy the day. And now the day changed. My little sweet beast. She doesn't want to comment this situation, you see. So let's eat some food and continue with the day.
Leone.
Leone.
Computer.
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 I'd never given much thought to how I would die.
Beautiful. This is the skin of a killer.
Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday, the 4th of February. Excuse me, my morning look. I woke up at... Yeah, and excuse me the sounds in the background. Corey is playing with a plastic bag. So I woke up at around 9:30. I made myself a cup of tea and I'm gonna start my working day. I'm having 4 lessons today in total. Now I'm gonna have 4 lessons in a row. 3 English lessons and 1 French lesson. And in the evening I'm gonna have another Italian lesson. I enjoyed watching Twilight in the movies yesterday. It was an unusual experience because the people, the audience, they were cheering and laughing and clapping at different points of the film. I got really excited because of that. Today it's a rainy, cloudy day, which is unusual now because it's been pretty hot lately, but now it's only 26. But it's gonna be plus 31 during the day. It's cloudy all day. Yeah, that's it. Nothing much planned today and I'm feeling a bit down. Maybe after I give my full lessons I will just stay in bed for a while, read or watch something on YouTube. And that's it. So I'm pretty boring these days. Nothing much to show you, nothing much to talk about. So I wish you guys have a nice day and I will start working. Bonjour, salut Vera. Comment vas-tu? Hey guys, we're out in a new place actually. It's opened in Chinatown just recently, I guess. So I never thought they would have coffee and desserts, but they do, so we decided to try. I'm really lazy today. I know I filmed only the morning lesson and some bits and that's it. But it's because I'm on my period and I just want to lay in bed and do nothing, and that's what I've been doing all day. And I guess I'll have a coffee now and continue doing it, but I'll have one more lesson in the evening. And today's a very rainy, cloudy, chilly day, I would say. For summer, it's quite chilly. So I'm not enjoying today at all. This is going to be a whiny vlog.
Ciao.
Ciao Lucy. Buonasera. Come stai?
Bene, e tu?
Bene, grazie. Qualche volta non ti capisco.
Ci stai solo questo?
guys, I think I'm gonna finish my video here. We're out again having lunch. I've been working all morning again until 2:30, I guess, and Yura is still working, and he's gonna have his friends over in the evening. They're going to play D&D, and I'm gonna just lay in bed because, you know, those days when you're on your period are not good to do anything and it's hard to be productive. I think this vlog will be a bit boring maybe because I only work and do nothing else, but that's like it is during my week. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek into my daily routine here, because yeah, that's what I do every day. Every work day, every weekday, I work, I give classes, I prepare for classes, I go out to have a coffee or lunch because I can't stay at home all the day. And yeah, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope next video will be more interesting. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.